I swear, tomorrow is definitely going to be the day that I really buckle down. I'm going to film at least 5 new vlogs, no less. Oh, the interesting world of personal development. The beautiful place that is oversaturated in both redundant and often contradictory content from both the incredibly accomplished, like Tony Robbins and Lisa Nichols, and those who wish they were a part of the incredibly accomplished. But all of this content continues to exist and continues to be made because we as a collective continue to seek it out.
Yes, that's true.
And we continue to seek it out because we have such a difficult time actually applying or making it a practical part of our lives to get us to the point where we wouldn't actually need it anymore.
That sounds about right.
But knowing that, today I want to make things as easy as they can possibly get. So I'm going to offer up 3 incredibly simple, incredibly straightforward steps for all of us to immediately apply and hopefully change our lives.
You have part of my attention. You have the minimum amount.
Step 1, take 10 minutes aside and write down absolutely everything that you can think of that makes you happy in life. And I mean everything. If you enjoy taking your dog for a walk, write it down. If you enjoy reading in bed, write it down. If you enjoy playing rugby, write it down.
Okay, that's enough. Stop, please.
Step number 2 is to now take 10 minutes to write down everything that you are currently doing on a regular basis in your life. Write down everything from reading to making dinner to going to work to working out, whatever you're doing on the daily or whatever you're doing with some level of consistency on a weekly basis.
I'm trying to think, but nothing happens.
Step 3, and get ready to have your mind blown. Look at these 2 lists simultaneously and adjust accordingly.
You just blew my mind.
Life may be incredibly complicated, and I'm sure we all have a number of deep-seated issues we would benefit from tackling and addressing at the core of everything that we're going through. But we're also not as complicated as we may think.
Oh no, he didn't.
And no, I'm not suggesting that we all ditch everything on list number 2 to strictly do the things that are on list number 1, but I am suggesting that one of the simplest ways to improve our lives is to make regular time or make more time for the things on list number 1 to coexist with the things on number 2. I know we're all busy and we've all got plenty on our plate, but if you took the time to find and watch this video, I'm willing to bet that you have at least a little bit of wiggle room. And what better way is there to spend your free time or to spend some of the time that you have available than on the things that you genuinely love?
Sign me up.
For more brutally honest personal development content designed for those who actually want to change, be sure to check out my most popular video of all time up here. And to be an awesome person, be sure to like and comment down here, and of course to subscribe over here. And to receive my free ebook on 5 simple daily hacks for a genuinely happier life, be sure to check out the link in the description.